Welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. Today we'll be building
Raoul ÇaRoule from Cars 2.
This is a 143 snap kit car from Zvezda, based on the French rally car in the Disney Pixar film Cars 2. Raoul ÇaRoule was based upon the Citroën C4 WRC driven by Sebastien Loeb to multiple world championships. Today I'm going to be aided in my building by Gregory, who got this for his birthday. Say hello.
Hello.
So here you can see the other kits that are available, and we'll unbox it here to show what's inside. Thank you, Gregory. So you can see here that there are 4 sprues and they're already coloured. Blue, red, white and black, as he drives with the French colours. The car says GRC, which is short for Global Rally Championship, a kind of, a rights-free version of the World Rally Championship. And there's a small sticker sheet. And here are the instructions. The age recommendation for this is 7+, and you do need to use some sprue cutters or a blade to remove the pieces from the sprues, so adult help is required. We'll start by doing the wheels.
With black plastic and white hubs, and you have to squeeze them together. The back wheels are slightly bigger than the front wheels.
We then set out the 4 wheels to make sure we got them in the right place before putting them onto the axles. Unfortunately, these wheels don't spin.
This white bit will become his teeth.
Whilst I built a frame that goes inside the body of the car.
This blue part goes over exhaust pipes.
We then start building up the roof using this white section. The sides of the cars are made up of red, white and blue that clip together to form the French tricolour. It's quite nice how they create the GRC logo in the middle. These are quite tight to fit together, so you may need a grown-up to help with this bit. We realised here that once putting this on, the boot wasn't on firmly enough, so we removed it and put it back on.
It's starting to look like a real car.
These small circles on the plastic are moulding points from the manufacturing process, and they'll need to be removed before you put it together.
This part goes over the teeth. He has a nice smile.
We then put the bonnet and windscreen on that formed the final piece of the car body.
The last part was the red spoiler. We now start with the stickers.
They're all numbered so you know where they should go.
Here is number 6 in the race.
The headlights are quite small and fiddly, but there are outlines to show you where they need to go.
Now Raoul ÇaRoule is finished. I had really fun making it, and it really looks like the real car in the film. Thanks for watching.
This was the first Zvezda kit we ever made, so you can definitely say that we were starting from the ground up. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.